Hi, I'm a hairstylist and salon owner, and today I'm going to show you how to curl your hair using the T3 Bodywaver. So I like to start by sectioning out my hair. I'm going to take out a mohawk section on the top, going all the way back and around my crown. And then I'm just going to twist the hair and clip it. So my hair is 100% dry. I just blow dried it, and if you'd like to see how to blow dry your hair, I will link to a video that shows you how. Now I'm gonna start at the corner of my eyes and section that hair down to my occipital bone, out. And then twist it to get all the hair out of your way. Just clip it up. So now you have 3 sections. I just like to split my hair down the center, bring it forward, and then I do 2 sections here. One starting right behind my ear, around my face is 1 section, and then this hair in the back is 1 section. So I like to keep my heat at 3 out of 5 blue light circles. I'm using my right hand to do the left side of my head. I'm keeping it taut and smooth, and then about halfway down, I'm gonna clamp it in place, curl it up, slide it down, get those ends in there, and then curl it all the way up and let it warm up. So you're gonna gently let it go and let it set. Now I'm gonna come around to the other side. So halfway down the length of your hair, clamp it. Get those ends in there, hold it taut, and then roll it up and let it warm up. I'm going to take down the second section, divide it in half. It's pretty easy to tell what's been done and what hasn't been done. Same thing with this section. Right before the head starts rounding to the back, I section it, which is also behind my ear. Bring this forward to do second. So halfway down the hair, get those ends in there and curl up. And you can see that I'm holding it straight out from this section, so that way I'm going to get a little more lift and volume there. Around the front of the face, I'm pulling it straight out from my head, halfway down, curling and pulling. This curling iron is really good because it's smooth and it doesn't hurt your hair. Once it's warm, you can release it a little and then just unfold. Right before the round of the head, section it in half. Halfway down the hair, you're gonna clamp it, pull it out to get those ends in, and twist. Then I'm gonna take out the top section, and I'm gonna start from the back going forward. So I have my crown, I'm gonna twist this, leave it to the side, and then I like to warm up the base, smooth it out in different directions, clamp it, get your ends in, and then wrap it all the way down so it's on base. Then you can release the hair into your hand and then let it go. I'm just gonna find my part, brushing it forward. When you push your hair, your natural part will reveal itself. And then I'm just gonna take this and curl it. So this part's framing your face, so you wanna make sure that this is really where you pay attention to where the curl is hitting. Just taking all the hair on this side and gonna curl it. Depending on how much hair you have, you might need to split this in 2 sections. So if anything falls out, you can just leave it and then do it after. So I got that curled. This one fell out, so I'm gonna go back and curl it separately. Now that your hair is curled and cooled, you can gently break it up by just massaging your scalp. And then you can use your fingers to gently break it up. But you don't want to like brush through your hair too much. There you go, easy, bouncy curls. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe.